again.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how I put my press-ons on. But before I jump into this video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you are notified whenever I post, and leave all your comments down below. Also give this video a thumbs up if you like this video. Now I got these sent to me from Nail Fuel, which is my regular nail tech, but you know, because of the quarantine, whatever, I can't go do my nails, so they sent these to me. And these are just the tools that they sent to me to help in the process of getting my press-ons on. And they also sent instruction sheet which is that black card thing that you see right there, just to tell you guys or tell me how to put it on. They didn't send alcohol inside of it, so I just used a cotton pad that I had and my regular alcohol. Now I went ahead and I did my right hand off camera, because I'll be showing you guys the left hand, and the right hand is the hardest, so I wanted to do that off camera. So now I'm just gonna show you guys how I put each nail on. So the instructions for the nail applications are: wash your hands and dry them. So my hands are already washed and dried. And then press your cuticle back with the wooden pusher, which is this wooden pusher that I have. And then I am going to trim, file, buff my nails, and then wipe with the alcohol. So right now I am pretty much just pushing back all my cuticles, and then I am going to go ahead and trim them with, I didn't have you know, the thing that they used to clip it. I couldn't find my nail clip actually, so I used my tweezers, so do not judge me, but it got the work done. Okay, so you want to just take off the extra cuticles that will what's the word after you push them back, there's going to be extra cuticles, so you're going to use the nail clip if you have one. I use the tweezer because that's what I had. And then I am going to trim them, file them, buff them, and then wipe with the alcohol. So now I'm just taking off all the nails and kind of place them in the direction, or like right in front of the finger that they're supposed to go on. So I put the pinky one in front of the pinky, then the ring finger in front of the ring finger, and whatever. So all I did was dab just a small amount of the glue and then attach the nail. Then I held it for about 10 seconds. I think 10 seconds is fine. You don't need to do any more. If you want, that's up to you, but 10 seconds is fine. So you dab the glue on your natural nail, then apply the nail, hold it down for 10 seconds, and then you're good to go. Honestly guys, press-ons are like the best because one, they're not hard to come off. So if you don't feel like having nails on your hand, you can literally take them off. And if you want to quickly put on some nail without having to actually go sit down with the nail tech for about 2 hours, then these are your best fit or your best go-to. Also, you can get them, like these were custom made for me, so they fit perfectly on my finger. So if you're gonna get press-ons, maybe try to get them custom made, so actually measure your finger and then send it to your nail tech if that's available. Or I think you could buy them online as well, but they won't be exact. So it's better to just get somebody to do it for you and do the exact measurement so they will fit and not fall off or be bumpy or, you know, just not cute. But anyways, that's literally all I did, guys. It's not that hard. I was finished in probably like 5 minutes. Not even. Like, well, not even 5 minutes. But yeah, that was it. And there you have it. Those are my press-ons and they look so cute. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. If you guys want to see more videos like this, then leave all the comments down below. If you like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. And again, please remember to subscribe to my channel. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one.
Can you say that again?